Isaac County, southeastern Johnson County, east central Washington County, until 10:15 a.m. At 9:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Washington, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Washington, Haskins, Washington Airport, and Gladwin. Take cover now.